Hello, everyone. Today, we're delving into the fascinating history of the Caesar salad. Despite its name, this beloved dish has no ties to ancient Rome. It was, in fact, created in Tijuana, Mexico in the 1920s by an Italian-American chef named Cesar Cardini. Legend has it that on a busy 4th of July weekend, Cardini's restaurant was low on supplies. Thinking on his feet, he whipped up a salad using the ingredients he had on hand: romaine lettuce, garlic, croutons, Parmesan cheese, olive oil, and a coddled egg. The salad was an instant hit. The Caesar salad's fame soon spread, and it became a staple on menus around the world. So the next time you enjoy one, remember its humble yet innovative beginnings south of the border. Have you ever tried a classic Caesar salad? What's your favorite variation? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below.